Assistant Professor in IMS Noida. I'm your computer network faculty. Today I'm going to teach you the types of computer network. So you can see on my whiteboard that I have written the types of network. Generally we know that we do have the types of network LAN, MAN and WAN. But we do have also one type of network which is the PAN, that the personal area network. So let me explain you that what exactly the LAN, MAN, WAN and how does they do functions. Okay, so if we talk about the LAN is if we talk about the PAN is basically very small group of area. Okay, I will discuss about the PAN on my further classes, but first I will teach you this types of network. What does it mean? Types of network means that which kind of infrastructure you want to provide your computer network, how you want to design your infrastructure. Through that you can just pass on the information from one position to another position, but it depends that what are your business requirement and what shape you are going to be provide. So if we look at the LAN, which is known as the local area network, the capability of the local area network is 10 kilometer. Okay, in the local area network, within organization, within building, we can just exchange the data. The LAN itself do have some private network as well, I will also tell you, but LAN, which is known as the local area network, the capability is 10 kilometer. It's within organization. If you want to pass on the information, want to do the data communication, so in this case you always prefer the LAN infrastructure. Got it? Now come to the MAN. MAN is what exactly? Which is the wider than the LAN. Okay, that is known as the metropolitan area network. The capability of this, that up to 10 kilometer to the 100 kilometer within city. When we want to communicate the data and we want to transmit the data from one position to another position, then we always require the MAN, which is the metropolitan area network. Now come to the WAN, which is the wide area network, that always dedicated to the trans-border, trans-countries. Okay, when we want to send the information, across the countries, okay, across the world, so we always use the WAN, which is the wide area network. 1000 kilometer, that is a written documentation that 1000 kilometer till 100 to 1000 kilometer is the capability of the WAN. We always do have the multiple LANs, then we are making the MAN, then multiple MANs, then we are making the MAN, and we are connected to each other through the different networking equipment. They may be the switches, they may be the router, they may be some other. Okay, so we are just connecting them and we are transmitting the data whole world. So this is the types of network. Types of network is basically that, as I told you, that what exactly the computer network. If we talk about the computer network, it means that when we do have more than one device, like if you do have more than one device and you want to transmit the data, so in this case you can connect those two devices through the wire, through the different means. Okay, through the cables. So it means you are network, but it doesn't mean if two devices they are in network, they do have also internet connectivity as well. Internet, which is a wider area of the computer network, which is the network of networks. And it means now you are able, when you are in network, it means those computer who are in network, you can just transmit the data and you can exchange the information. Data communication could be happen. Okay, so how it will happen? You always required some infrastructure. These are basically the backbone of kind of network, and on those backbone we are designing the computer network, we are designing our infrastructure, and accordingly we are just transmitting the data as per our business requirement. It might be that as per our organization requirement. Okay, I also taught you that the topology in the class, where I told you that topology always refers to the shape. Okay, but where we do refer the topology we always refer on the types of network. So that's why it's very important you should know that what are the types of network. Okay, in the LAN, if you must have heard about intranet and extranet. Okay, intranet, it means within organization, if you want to communicate the data, okay, within organization employees you want to communicate. So in this case we always refer the private network, that is the intranet. Extranet, across the organization, business to business deed. So and that always design, the intranet always design on the LAN. Okay, so this is basically through the guided medium we are using that the LAN, which is the local area network, the MAN, which is the metropolitan area network, WAN, which is the wide area network. In the personal area network and the private network, that the VPN, extranet, intranet, and the other one, I will just teach you in my next class. I hope that you got it, that the types of network and what are the requirement of the types of network. Thank you.